So now if you want to operate on the images, okay, so we'll have the enhancement topics dealt, image enhancement topics dealt tomorrow, okay. Now let us just go on with various cropping, arithmetic, logical operations, and how to do with image, color image processing, everything today. Okay. So this course, I'm just zooming up the code, okay. So here I need the image to be resized, okay. So if I'll execute the code here, I'm just commenting these lines. Control R is the shortcut to comment the code, and Control T is the shortcut to uncomment the code. I'll just select these, and I'll just use Control R to comment the lines. Okay. Now let me execute this code once. Okay. So if you read this code, this capital I is going to be, if I'm going to execute the code, capital I is the variable wherein I'm reading the image circuit.test. Right? So let us go with the workspace. You could see that capital I is of size 280 cross 272. Right? 280 cross 272. Now, if I want that to be resized, okay, like usually for any image processing application, so we'll have to resize the image to our needed size. Okay. So this will be one of the pre-processing steps in any image processing application. So if you want to just do the resizing here, and if you want to be familiar with any function, okay, hope it is already taught, but still I'll tell you. If you want to be clear with any built-in function available in MATLAB, always use help. Okay, MATLAB has got enough voluminous number of built-in functions available. So if you want to just get familiar with all the functions, it's very tough. Okay, so depending on the nature of work which you carry on, like for example, if you are working on with audio signal processing, then you can be familiar with all the audio signal processing toolbox and its built-in functions. If you are working on with image processing as your project or your area of interest, then you can be familiar with all such kind of image processing functions available. So if you are not clear with the function and its arguments to be passed on, you could just put help resize and you will get the complete document help. Okay, so it's an internal help function, plot annotation, or you go here, okay, function browser. So help function browser, you can just go on know about the image resize. Okay, resize is the function, right, which we are using. Here we were using im resize. Okay, so let me check with this. I just typed resize, im resize. Okay, so you'll get the document help of it with examples will be demonstrated, but primarily you understand that the im resize will have the image which need to be resized and the scaling factor. Okay, if the scaling factor is going to be greater than 1, that means you are zooming up the image, you are increasing the size of the image, and if the scaling factor is going to be less than 1, then you are actually scaling it down.